Hello friends, in our previous video, we have done the sums based on tangent to a circle. Let us continue the same. Example 4. If xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with a point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B, prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. To reach the proof of the solution, we have to take the angle sum property of triangle AOB, and for that we should know the sum of angles, angle number 2 and angle 3. Only then angle O will be calculated. So let us start. To solve the sum, first we have to join points O and C. Let us join these with the help of a straight line like this. Now xy and x dash y dash are two parallel lines and PQ is the intersecting line. Similarly, xy and x dash y dash are parallel lines and AB is their intersecting line. By the law of parallelism, the internal angles, sum of interior angles of parallel lines is always equal to 180 degrees. Here two lines xy and x dash y dash, they are parallel, and intersecting line we are taking as AB. So the sum of angle PAC and angle QBC, it is equal to 180 degree by the parallelism. Now take the triangle PAO and triangle CAO. Look at the figure carefully. In these two triangles, side PA of first triangle is same as side CA of second triangle. Why? Because these are the length of tangents drawn from exterior point A. It is always equal. So PA is equal to CA. Again, side AO of first triangle is same as side AO of second triangle. It is a common side. Third one is side PO equal to OC, the radius of the circle. It is equal in length. It means in both the triangles PAO and CAO, all the three sides are equal. It means we can apply SSS congruency axiom and make these two triangles congruent. Therefore, by CPCT rule, the corresponding parts are also equal. Means we get angle 1 is equal to angle 2. The same SSS axiom of congruency is applicable in the triangles below the radius, and these two triangles are also congruent, and we get angle 3 equal to angle 4 in the similar fashion. So now we have from equation 1 angle PAC plus angle QBC is equal to 180 degree, and look at the figure. PAC can be broken into angle 1 plus angle 2. Similarly, angle QBC is broken into angle 3 plus angle 4. Their total sum is equal to 180 degree. And now we are replacing angle 1 with angle 2 because both are equal, and angle 4 as angle 3. Both are equal as proved above. Therefore, we have 2 times angle 2 and 2 times angle 3. Their total sum equal to 180 degrees. Taking 2 common outside the bracket, we get 2 bracket angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees, and from here we take the 2 to other side, means to the side of 180 degrees, and we get the sum angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degrees. After calculating the sum of angle 2 and angle 3, now we take the triangle AOB. Look at the figure. Triangle AOB. The sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So for this triangle, we have angle AOB plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Total sum equal to 180 degrees. And previously we have done angle 2 plus angle 3 is 90 degree. We substitute this value and we get angle AOB plus 90 degree equal to 180 degrees. And from here 90 goes to the other side and we have angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 90 means angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. The answer of the question asked. So friends, while doing this sum, we have applied many basic concepts like parallel lines, the sum of interior angles 180 degree, then congruency, SSS, axiom of congruency, then the angle sum property of a triangle. In this way, to solve a sum for tangent to the circle, we have to have the knowledge of basic concepts of geometry. Let us proceed further with example number 5. Example 5. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. In this question, an external point is given from where two tangents are drawn. Then we have to join the contact point with the center of the circle, means radii are drawn. Then we have to prove that angle at the center and angle at the exterior point, outer point, they both are supplementary, means their sum is 180 degree. So in the given figure, it is angle O plus angle P. Their sum should be 180 degree. This is our question. To solve this sum, we will use the concept that tangent line makes an angle of 90 degree with radius of the circle. Means in the given figure, angle A is 90 degree, angle B is also 90 degree because AP is tangent and BP is also tangent. Now let us see the proof of this question. Radius OA is perpendicular to PA as discussed earlier. Therefore, angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, angle OBP is also 90 degree. Now look at the quadrilateral OAPB. We know from our previous knowledge that sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We write all the four angles of this quadrilateral as angle OAP plus angle APB plus angle OBP plus angle AOB. Their total sum is equal to 360 degree. Now we have got the values of two angles, angle OAP and angle OBP, each equal to 90 degrees. We shift these two angles towards the side of 360 degree, means we have the remaining angles, angle APB plus angle AOB equal to 360 minus these two angles. They have the value 90 and 90, means 360 minus 180 degrees. We get angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 180 means equal to 180 degrees. In this way, we have proved that angle APB and angle AOB both are supplementary to each other. So friends, while doing the proof of this sum, we have used the concept of the radius and tangent makes 90 degree angle and angle sum property of quadrilateral. The sum of four angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So you also try the similar sums from your course book, and for any queries, please write to us in our comment box. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more notifications. That is all for today. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.